Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of this beautiful patchwork designing on the blouse. So let's quickly start with this design. These are very creative patterns but yet stylish looking. Wanna look something special, you must try these patterns. For that I'd be using 2 inches which is of 25 inches in length. I'd be locating the center and leaving 1 inch. I have already folded the strip and given the press on it. Now exactly in the center I'd be leaving 1 inch and remaining part we have to give the running stitch like this. This is I'm gonna give the running stitch using the hand so that whomsoever doesn't have the sewing machine also can prepare these type of designs at home easy. But if you have sewing machine you can give the running stitch like the way which I am showing using the hand. Just leave the center part 1 inch and remaining on the both the sides we have to give the running stitch like this. Here I'd be using the same strip. This is of chiffon georgette fabric which I took it from the saree because I want to have the same color of the saree, so I took the little part from the saree itself. But if you want you can also choose different fabrics or different colors as per your requirement. Here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do. Follow the instruction and you can create by yourself this type of designing easily at home. Here I am ending up, so I'll be giving the knot stitch here so that it will secure. The same way after leaving the 1 inch I'd be continuing the running stitch to another side. And once the stitch is done, the strip would look like this. The center one I left. On both the sides I had given the running stitch. So now I'd be turning inside out from this leftover 1 inch on both the sides. After turning inside out, I'd be giving the gentle press on it so that we can further design for the flowers. And this is how the strip would look. You can either increase or decrease the size of the flower by increasing or decreasing the strip width. As I said before itself, I'd be taking 2 inches strip. But if you want the small size, you can go with 1 inch or 1.5 inch. Or else if you want much more bigger size you can also choose for 3 inches. And again I would be giving the running stitch. For the making of the flower we have to give the stitch like this. Not on the fold I have given the stitch, it is on the stitch previously done. On that one I'd be again giving the running stitch. Slowly pull the thread so that we can get the ruffles or the gathers. And overlap it like this. Here I had given 2 windings and placing it like this on the blouse we have to give the stitch for the joining of this patch, creating the flower shape. Once 2 to 3 stitches had done, in the center I'd be joining these silver buttons, also giving couple of stitches. Now that the fashion button has joined, here I'll be using red color anchor thread of 6 strands. This is how it looks. To give the French knot, all around this button. And for the stitching of the French knot, here I'll be using size 16 number needle, and this is how we have to give the French knot all around this button. I think you can clearly see this is how we have to give the French knot, and once completed the blouse would look like this. As I said before in the beginning of the video, these are very creative patterns, will look stylish. Try for your old blouses to turn into new, which will really gives an impressive look. So that's all friends, hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thanks so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's